as an artist, kama we ni kioo cha jamii na unapewa heshima na watu, usianze kuingia sijui which political party, just fight for what is important for your people. Because your voice is very important. Akasema ile siku wewe msanii umechukua mic, umesema sijui political party gani tosha, now no one should ever listen to you. And that was valid.
But then lazima niulize, economics is part of politics.
Yes.
So the finance bill ilikuwa a political process,
yes.
So you do understand that during that time we were in a political fight. Okay. Alafu now the other question comes in. 2027, if there is a Gen Z leader, and he looks genuine, alafu kuna mtu wetu mwingine, you can take a stand.
The fan base is mixed. And I know probably people are gonna like give me a lot of backlash for saying this. I have avoided religion. If you know me very well, I have avoided politics. I have avoided sexuality. Because I speak to a mixture. So I feel like if I am to call out an issue, like what was on the table when we had the protests, it was the finance bill. That is what we were fighting for. And we're saying we need to end bad governance. And we need to say that kama tumekuchagua, you unafaa tupe accountability. We understand? So for me it was I'm losing my words. It was not political, it was issue based. That is the word I was looking for. It was issue based. So it wasn't like sijui nani huyu dynasty flani, sijui political party gani. So for me when it comes, it narrows down to individualistic nature. I najitoa kidogo. Naomba nijitoa kidogo.
Lakini bado sikia kura utapiga kura, si ndio?
Mimi napiga kura yangu, siri yangu. Of course, lakini lazima nikumbushe watu 2027 tunafaa tuangalie nani amefanya kazi, nani hajafanya kazi. So all these things that we need to ziangalie. Lakini in terms of sijui kusupport political party, if I miss out on the money, it's fine. But that's just not the direction I'm trying to go.
Okay. But pia unaelewa the fact that Kenya ndio tumefanya politics imekuwa toxic hivyo. Paka it's associated with bad things. That everyone has to run away from it. At least hapo tunaweza agree on that.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me tell you something. Nikianza kujifunza biashara ya muziki. Nakumbuka tulikuwa tumeenda meeting. Tulikuwa tumeenda meeting na the whole team.